So you guys can see that these people have actually earned $171,000, and the person right below him has earned $62,000, and the person right below this other person has earned $65,000 just by copying and pasting links. And by the end of today's video, you'll get a clear understanding of how you can go ahead and do that yourself. Now, the website we're going to be talking about today is called CPAGrip. Now, with CPAGrip, you can actually make a lot of money with their offer system. Now, they actually have tools built into the website that you can actually use and take advantage of to make more than $100 a day to even $1,000 a day if you can actually scale it up pretty good. Now, to get started with the website, all you have to go ahead and do is click the register button at the top, and it's going to bring up a page for you to actually sign up. Okay, so once you're on the sign up page, you're just going to want to go ahead and fill out all of the basic information right here. And if you guys head over to the website section right here, it's going to actually ask you to put a website. But if you don't actually have a website, then don't put anything at all and just move on to the other steps. Now, for the publisher type here as well, you guys are going to want to go ahead and click on GPT. And if you don't have this option, just go ahead and click one of the other ones, but you're going to want to go ahead and click GPT, which means get paid to. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to get paid to actually promote offers, which we'll get later on in the video. Now, once you went ahead and filled out the basic information form, you guys are just going to want to go ahead and click the register now button, and then after that, you guys are going to have to log into your account. Now, once you've actually went ahead and logged into the page, you should actually be able to see all of the dashboard here and every other tool that is actually on the website. Now, you guys want to go ahead and head over to the offer tools right here on this panel and go ahead and click on it, and then from here, go ahead and click on my offers. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, you should be able to get a lot of offers that you can go ahead and promote. Now, there are a lot of offers that you can actually promote here. Like, there's this one about Coca-Cola right here that we can actually go ahead and promote for about $2 per payout. Now, this is per person, guys, so if you can get like maybe 10 of these, you've already made about $20 with this. Now, pretty much it's as simple as finding a offer you want to go ahead and promote and actually clicking on it. Now, once you've actually clicked on it, you guys can see that we actually get a link for our affiliate account, and pretty much all we have to do now is copy this link. Now, the link I went ahead and copied, I'm going to go ahead and paste on the Google search bar just to show you guys what the offer is actually about and how this will actually give you money. So basically, the person on the other side that you actually promote this to is going to have to complete this, and pretty much all they're going to have to do is answer pretty easy questions, and once they actually go ahead and proceed on with the offer, they're actually going to get a survey thing kind of here, and they're going to have to fill in some information, and once they actually go ahead and submit this, it'll actually go ahead and pay you. So if you can actually go ahead and get people to do this about 10, 20, even 100 times, you can actually get some pretty hefty payouts from this. Now, keep in mind, these are only the United States offers I am currently looking at. If you're maybe in another country and you want to go ahead and target maybe something in your country, all you have to do is click the little box right here, and it's going to let you, access, many other countries that you can go ahead and target. Now, here we actually have a few of them. We have the Dominican Republic, we have Denmark, which I'm going to go ahead and click here, and you guys can see that in Denmark, they tend to pay out a little bit more for each lead, but it really depends on what category they want you to go ahead and target. Now, you can see here they have mobile installs, which is about 17 cents per mobile install, which is, it's an okay payout, right? But right above it, there's also the category credit card submit, which you're going to have that person do in order to get the payout as seen right here. I'm going to go ahead and give you that payout once they've actually done that. But please note that you can only target Denmark traffic or whatever country you're specifically targeting. You have to target that type of traffic. You cannot target any other traffic outside of it. Maybe like in the United States, you can't have United States traffic in Denmark, right? So you're going to want to go ahead and solely target that country only and get leads from there. Okay, so we're back on the dashboard, and right now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the monetization tools that you can actually go ahead and use to actually get more conversions. Now, if we go to the panel right here where it says monetization tools and go ahead and click on it, we actually have about 4 options here that we can go ahead and target to make money. Now, we have the content locking option, which means that there's going to be a content locker, which is going to place a bunch of offers, which I'm going to show you guys right now. So if I go ahead and click on it, it's going to give me all the content lockers I've actually created, but I'm going to go ahead and click create new locker, and I'm going to go ahead and agree to the terms of service here and then continue. Now, basically, it's going to show up a content locker, and this is essentially what a content locker is, right? It locks the content behind, and pretty much they have to complete a survey, right? So if we head over to the templates, they actually have selectable templates here that you can actually go ahead and have. So you can see here that this one, they have to complete a survey to unlock the protected content. So this pretty much increases the conversion rate overall, and it gets you more conversions to your offers, right? And you can actually have the option to place more than 3 offers. You guys can see on my screen right now that this content locker only has about 3 offers right here. But if I go ahead and click right here where it says show offers and put about 5, it's going to show me about 5 offers. So it gives more options to that person that's actually going to go ahead and complete a survey here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys next the file lockers and how you can go ahead and use those as well. Now if we go ahead and click monetization tools again and then head over to the URL and file lockers, it's going to give us all of the lockers that we actually have and what we've actually created in the past. But if you haven't already, go ahead and create a new locker if you haven't already. And once again, agree to the terms. Go ahead and continue from here, and you guys can see that these are actually the file lockers. This mainly has to do with like downloads and stuff. So if you have people that are looking for a download or something, you could pretty much just put a survey, lock it, and then after that, once they've completed the survey, the download then becomes accessible. So you can see here that there is templates as well that you can go ahead and use. This is one of the like default ones right here that I actually have. There's other ones right here. There's a human verification one. There is a I am not a robot one, and this one seems pretty realistic, the file share one. So if we go ahead and put this one right here, and then we can go ahead and adjust the name right here and go ahead and change it. So just for an example, I'm just going to put the web guide right here, and then you guys can see that the file name is the web guide, and you could pretty much just adjust everything here. Now where it says the last download, you don't necessarily have to change, because that just pretty much, it gives you the last download automatic. It gives you the recent date. So right now it's currently the 4th of February. It's just going to show that date. So basically that's essentially how you go ahead and use the file lockers. Now you can actually go ahead and change the anchor text as well. So let me go ahead and move my webcam really quick. You guys can see that at the bottom you can actually put this after completion, this resource will be unlocked. You can actually put your own twist to it. You can actually put your own wording, word it however you want. So now that we are finished with our file locker, all we have to do now is click the save button, and then after that click the get links button in green. Now once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and click the copy link button, and once you've actually done that, go ahead and test out your template here. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do, and you guys can see that the template is actually working. And if we go ahead and click on begin download, it's going to show us these surveys that are needed in order to get access to those downloads. So now moving on, we actually have the video lockers as well as the offer walls. Now I'm going to go really quick with this. The video lockers I don't necessarily like to use because they're a little bit outdated. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what that actually looks like right now. So you guys can see they're a bit outdated, right? It's kind of like, an early 2000s type website. So I don't necessarily like to use the video lockers at all unless you know some type of coding so you guys can adjust what it actually looks like. But I don't really like using the video lockers. Now I like offer walls. Offer walls are extremely useful. You guys can see that there are actually templates here that we can actually go ahead and use for our offer wall. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the dark wall right here, and this dark wall actually offers points to the user to actually complete in order to get the award, right? So basically they're going to have to complete a few surveys to get those points, and pretty much accumulates. The more points they get, the more surveys they complete, right? So basically that's why I like offer walls. They give you more conversions overall. So now that you actually know how to use the monetization tools, I want you guys to go ahead and get those links and head over to social medias like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you name it, right? And go ahead and promote those links. So you guys can see that I've actually went ahead and clicked on the $750 PayPal gift card, and all I have to do now is click on copy link right here so I can get my affiliate link. Now I'm going to show you guys as an example right now on how you can go ahead and promote stuff like this. So I'm going to head over to Facebook, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and type in PayPal in the search bar. Now once I go ahead and do that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on PayPal games for money, and obviously people want PayPal money, right? So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these groups to actually join, and I'm just going to go ahead and click join group. And once I've actually went ahead and joined, I'm going to look for a post regarding PayPal money, right? So right under the comment section of maybe those posts, I'm going to post my link, and of course I'm going to describe what the link is actually about, just so people don't get kind of skeptical about it. So So just go ahead and write a brief description of, what the actual link is, and, maybe like a sweepstake, right? So pretty much describe it, right? And really, people are just going to go ahead and click on it, and pretty much it's free traffic. There's plenty of people doing this, but not too many where it's just oversaturated. So if you can go ahead and get on this right now, you're going to be able to make a lot of money just by copying and pasting links very easily. Hopefully you guys found this video extremely helpful, guys, and hopefully now you have a good understanding of how this all works and how you can go ahead and make money on CPAGrip. Be sure to use the link to get registered with CPAGrip down in the description of this video. Until then, guys, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.